Yes! Shout out time muna tayo. Sisingit ko lang to sa upload kong video. First, shout out kay Idol Team, Post De Aero TV, Jerap TV, My Biko Channel, Rhea Unisan, Team Tulong, Team Sipag, Team Soward, Shakira Ganda, Boboram TV, MacBear23, Sander Vlogger. Shout out sa inyo, Lou English pa. Shout out Ma'am Jenaline Katina. Shout out RTDPH. Shout out Best Friend Kuya Dang TV. Shout out Kabugrong. Ang idol ng mga Filipino vlogger, Japer Sniper. Shout out sa iyo, bye. Louis TV Kapanalig. Shout out sa iyo. Romsel TV. Kabisig, shout out. OCTV Salz, shout out. One Link, shout out. Baby Magi, shout out. Chris Official Blog, shout out. Pax Official, shout out sa iyo. Ryan Wayne, shout out. Sweet Moms, shout out. Latina Filipina, shout out. Bye. Cheska Ellie, shout out. Aying Minyosa, shout out. Jerry Boxit, shout out. Hansik Official, shout out. Kamuning, shout out. Jeramel Perez, shout out. Bye. Madi Katigbak Official, shout out. Kautoy TV, shout out. Kuya Malo, shout out. Things to Know, shout out sa iyo. Dong Albert, shout out. Fredong Gala, shout out. Napintads, shout out sa inyo lahat. MJ Recording, shout out. Marami pa akong i-shout out sa susunod na vlog. So far, ito pa lang nasa listahan ko. At meron pang idadagdag si Commander na nakalista. Shout out sa iyo, MJ Bulawan. Ito, what's this?
Roxy TV.
Roxy TV, Wengwen Tampos TV, yan, Kisha89 TV, shout out. DJC Cleo, DJC Vlog, shout out. Bye, shout out sa iyo, bye. Ice Too Big, shout out. Ate Angie Borja, shout out. Ate Lynn Pila, shout out. Punong Ministro, shout out po. Bangsi TV, shout out. Hindi ko mabasa to. McLooper, shout out. Jessica Maldia, shout out. Telma,
Guapak.
what?
Guapak. Guanpak.
Telma Guampak, shout out. James Santiago Vlog, shout out. What's this?
Lin An TV. Lian TV.
Lian TV, shout out. Rosita
Lamar.
Shout out. Meron pa. Haba. Tiwana Bell, shout out. Trip ni Mark Candes, shout out. Julius Katuba, shout out. Yols and Yang Minyosa, shout out. Tiwana Bell, shout out. Pinoy TV PH, shout out. Fredo's Blog, shout out. Eileen Flores Blog, shout out. Ed John TV, shout out. Young Mom, shout out. Sa inyo. Naila TV, shout out. Gilbert Vlog TV, shout out. Anjo Vlogs TV, shout out. Ernie Barrera, boss, shout out sa inyo po. Ricky Celeste Official, shout out. Things to Know, shout out. Risa Del Monte, shout out. Low English Family, shout out. Lorne Marasigan, shout out. Jenaline Katina, shout out. Shout out sa iyo, ma'am. Thank you sa pag-play. Teacher Miles, shout out. Ito.
Silas.
Hindi ko
Sorry,
mabasa.
Alarcana. Silas Alarcana.
Silas
From
Alarcana.
Jerap TV.
From Japer TV, shout out. So, yun po. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Sana wala akong nakalimutan. Pero yung mga hindi ko pa na shout out, sa next vlog ko na lang shout out po. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang dito na lang po. DIY Tolits signing off. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Shout out sa inyo lahat. May papahabol pa ako. Sa shoutout po. Si Ate Aisa TV. Ate Aisa C5. Ate Aisa, shoutout sa iyo. Warley 23 South, SW, shoutout. Ma'am Popsicles, shoutout po. Nadagdagan pa. Ano to? RFTV official, shoutout. Franstar, shout out. Kabarji TV, shout out. Raycabs TV, shout out. Ano yan? Andresa Ellison, shout out.
Yung mga kamuning great.
Maricel Banson, shout out.
Kamuning friends, kamuning.
And sa lahat ng mga supporters ni Kamuning, ni Kuya Dang, RTDPH, So Weird Family, Secret Weapon ni Idol Japer, shout out sa inyo lahat. Ako ito vlog, shout out. Sino pa ba? So, ang dami na. So, yung mga hindi ko pa na shout out, pasensya na po kayo. At sa susunod na lang po na ano, at ito po ang listahan ko. Ang dami, oh. Meron pang inaabot si Mrs. ng mga ano, sinusulat niya na hindi ko na shout out. So, yun. Next vlog na lang po iba at salamat po. Salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa akin at yung mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe. Subscribe na po muna kayo sa akin. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos na aking i-upload. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless po. At sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo, sana po maka-recover kayo lahat. At yun po, God bless po sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye. Ayaw mamatay. Good afternoon, guys. DIY Tolits here. Bibidyo ko lang. I'm just gonna make a video about how to fix a flat tire by yourself. So I got a flat tire last night and the other night, so trying to fix it. I just put my spare tires to get home, and this is my tire. You got a hole in here, so I found a hole right here. Okay, what to do is I have this kit to fix the tire. Okay, we're gonna do it right now. Just bear with me and we'll show you how to do it. So I'm just gonna put the camera where I can use my two hands to patch the holes. Okay, here's what we're gonna need. We need this kit, fix the flat tire kit with all this thing, the rubber. I always carry this in my car. The rubber cement and some other stuff that's included too, and this kind of needle. I just already put the thread, the rubber thread that goes into that thing, and this one is to poke the hole to make it rough. So what we're gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right now. So here you go. Also, we're gonna need a pair of gloves because it's very hard. Just give me 1 second. I don't have my alright. So this is the hole right here. I mark it down already. So what we're gonna do is poke it all the way in. A couple of struts like this. Make it a little bit bigger, okay? And now we're gonna need this rubber cement. I think I just run out of rubber cement, but that's fine. Yeah, it's frozen. What's it? It's empty. Okay, that's fine. That's garbage. So what we're gonna do is poke it all the way in. It's hard. There you go. So you do it all the way in. And then you just pull it. There you go. Now, like there. And then we're gonna cut the extra. So that's fixed. All I had to do is put air on it and then put it back on my car. So there you go. All fixed. Just give me 1 second. Alright, then we're gonna cut these extra. Ready that. Go. We're done. So you guys, that's it. We're done patching the holes for the tire. Once again, this is DIY toilets. Doing DIY. If you guys know how to do DIY, if you can do it yourself, it saves you a lot of money too. But always do the safety when you do something, any DIY thing. So thank you guys, and shout out to everybody too, all the YouTubers, USY family, Macber, 23 Sander Blogger, Japer Sniper, Romsel TV, DJC Cleo, DJC used to be the DJ Cleopas, Brave Ian, Brave Chloe, Nick TV, Isa C Channel, Brave Master, J Ryan TV, Ako Ito Vlog, RTD PH, Kuya Dang, who else? My sister-in-law, my Biko channel, my son Luke X SW, was Napin Tads, FJ Recording, sino pa ba ang isa shout out natin? Yung mga nakalimutan ko, huwag kayong mag-alala, shout ko kayo lahat. So I cannot name all of them because it's a lot. Oh, Kautoy TV, Neil Pajaqueros. So ilalagay ko na lang sa description yung mga iba. At so yun, thank you guys for supporting me. Once again, this is DIY Tolich signing off, and have a good day. God bless all. Bye bye. Okay guys, i-install na natin ang ating gulong. We're gonna install the tires now. It's right there. Maybe yeah. Yun. It's all done. Once again, thank you sa lahat ng supporters at sa mga subscriber. If you're not subscribed yet to me, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Once again, thank you very much, and God bless. Bye-bye.